Hey, this is Kevin Odom. This is my bike check. I got kink, lattice barons, animal grips, shadow, bars, cut them down. I had the 29-inch with the 9-inch rods. I cut them down 1.5 inches off each side. I got redneck XOT stem. And below that, I have a We the People headset. My friend is Eastern Grim Reaper 2. No, Eastern Grim Reaper Eternal. I have Odyssey 41 Director forks. This color is rare. Can't find it anywhere else. I'm pretty sure. Not even on eBay. I have Shadow pegs. I have a custom front wheel. The rim is Shadow. My spokes are Primo, and that one red spoke Shadow. And my hub, it's Primo N4. Okay, I'm moving down. My pedals are Animal Hamilton PC. I have Demolition cranks. And I have an Animal seat post. I have a Shadow seat. And I have a Shadow. Yep. And then I have a spank chain, Shadow sprocket. Moving down, I have a custom back wheel. I got a Colony rim. I have a Odyssey hazardous light back hub, red, and I have Shadow spokes, and this is the sound. Yep, and this is my bike. That's my bike check. Thanks.
It's Alabama's #1 DJ. DJ at Low is in the building.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Leave you stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga? I won't die for this shit, or what the fuck I say. Front yard, broad day with the SK. See Gucci, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in the down with them hit squad killers. Walk a flock of flame on a hood ass nigga. Got a main bitch, got a mistress, a couple of girlfriends, I'm so rich. Keep my dick hard and keep me smoking. You get bills free, shouting no joking. Hey, what I stand for? Brick squad. I'ma die for this shouter, man, I swear to God. In the trap with some killers and some hood niggas. Where you at? Where you trap? Nigga? Keep this shit 300, put that shit on my